In this video, I'm going to show you how to add RSI in TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your charts, and then on the chart tab, you want to go to the bottom right, and as you can see just above where it says menu, there's like those three dots, which currently have a red dot above them. So tap on those three dots down there at the bottom right. It's going to open up tools, and inside tools here, the first tool is indicators. So tap on indicators, and then from here, you can go ahead and of course search them. So go to search, type in RSI. And as you can see, the first one is the relative strength index, which is essentially the RSI. That's what it means. You have to tap on it, and it's going to basically add it to the chart, as you can see at the bottom. And then you can just go and tap on the X button top right, and your RSI is now on your chart over here, as you can see it at the bottom. If you want to customize it, simply tap on where it says RSI on the chart, and then just tap on the setting icon next to it, and you'll be able to basically kind of change the inputs, style, and the visibility as well. Tap on OK bottom right, and you're good to go. So that's how to add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.